Little weighted balls are one of my favorite things to use with kiddos. So right now, my friend here is just doing slams with it, just like an adult would. So we just want to make sure we're dosing appropriately and they're not picking up anything that's too heavy for themselves. Good work. What?
How heavy is that?
That is, how heavy is it? 4 pounds. Even for our younger kids, just carrying these little 2 pound, 3 pound, 4 pound balls can be great for not only strengthening, so core strengthening, and this was his idea that he wanted to film. I'm so proud of him for wanting to move and strengthen, but also if they're trying to regulate their sensory system, carrying something heavy can be calming and just a grounding exercise. Good work. High five. Can we teach Apollo how we use the dice?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
That's not how we use it.
All right, Apollo. Have you ever seen these dice?
I
They
need
are
the number 1.
so much fun. Okay, come over here, both of y'all. Okay, so each of y'all are going to roll. Do you want to do green or red?
I want to do red and green.
Okay, pick one. Red.
Baylor.
Oh, Baylor. Yes, green.
Baylor.
Sick 'em bears. Okay, stand up. So both of y'all roll your dice.
So how do we use the number 1? Because I don't remember.
You don't remember? I'm going to show you. Okay, you got elephant. Okay, now you roll the dice. And you got 20 seconds. So we are going to stomp like an elephant for 20 seconds. Are you ready? Stomp. Stomp. Can y'all make an elephant? Can you do, what does an elephant sound like? Woo! Good job. Good work. Okay, let's try another one. Okay.
I'll use red.
Okay, so Apollo's going to do the numbers and you're going to do the animal. So roll the red. Okay, now you roll for how long? 30 seconds. We're going to buzz like a bee. How does a bee go? Can y'all do it for a whole 30 seconds? Good job. Okay, y'all want to try another one?
Yes, I want to do green. I want to do this again.
Okay, you want to do the number again? Okay, roll the green. We got jump like a frog. Oh, for 50 seconds. That's a long time. Can y'all jump like a frog?
I got move that to my foot.
Can you jump like a frog? Let's see. What does a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Okay, let's do one more. Are we going to do green or red for our animal?
Ooh, red.
Okay, where did our number 1 go?
I want to do numbers this time, actually.
Okay, so Apollo's going to do the green and you're going to do the numbers. Ready, go. 20 seconds and jump like a frog again. Or, oh, crawl like a crab. That's a good one. Do y'all know how to crawl like a crab?
No.
Crab walks are one of my favorite things to do with kids because we have to use so many muscles.
We have to use, we're going to use 20 seconds for crab.
We're going to use 20 seconds. So let's put our feet on the ground. Okay, put your hands on the ground. Lift your bottom up. Okay, can you move around like a crab? Oh, man. Can you do it? Go.
I'm doing it sideways since crabs usually walk sideways.
You're right. Crabs do walk sideways. Oh, y'all are such good crabs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work, guys. Oh, foot high five. Oh, foot. Okay, should we all do foot high fives? All right.